Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Ash, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here again.
It is. How are you doing today, Paul?
I am feeling great, thank you. I had a very nice, quiet morning. Just my coffee and a good book.
Ah, that sounds perfect. A quiet morning is the best way to start the day.
It really is. And how about you, Emily?
I am doing very well, thanks. I'm very excited because we have a really great topic for everyone today.
Ooh, a great topic. You said it's a powerful way to learn English. I'm very curious.
Yes, it's something everyone can do every single day. You don't need a book. You don't need a class. You just need your life.
My life. Okay, I have one of those. That sounds very interesting.
Good. But before we start, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast and you are learning with us, please take just one moment to give us a like.
Yes, that little thumbs up button, it really helps us. And please subscribe to Mr. English Ash so you don't miss our new episodes.
And if you have a friend who's learning English, please share this with them. We want to help everyone.
Yes, thank you so much. Your support is wonderful.
Okay, Emily, I am ready. My life is my English teacher. How?
Yes. Today, we're going to talk about your daily routine.
My daily routine? You mean what I do every day?
Exactly. When you wake up, when you eat, when you go to work, all those small things.
Ah, okay. Like, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I drink coffee.
Yes, perfect, Paul. Those sentences are perfect. And our very first tip is write these things down. Write them in a notebook.
A notebook is perfect, or I can use the Notes app on my phone. It's very easy.
Yes, just write simple sentences about your day.
So, in the morning, I can sit with my coffee and write, I wake up at 7 a.m. I have breakfast. I go to work.
That's perfect. You are describing your day in English, and this is so good for your brain.
Why is it so good? It seems very simple.
It is simple, and that's why it's powerful. When you do this, you organize your thoughts in English. You are not translating from your language, you are thinking in English.
Ah, I see. And I'm practicing vocabulary that is useful for me.
Exactly. You are reinforcing useful vocabulary. Breakfast, coffee, work. You don't need big, difficult words. You just need your words, the words for your life.
That makes sense. I don't need to know the word for spaceship. I need to know the word for bus.
Yes, exactly. I take the bus to work. That's a perfect useful sentence.
Okay, so I have my notebook. I write my simple sentences. I wake up. I eat breakfast. What's next?
Now, you talk.
Talk to who? My kitchen wall?
You can. Your wall is a very good listener. But our next tip is to read what you wrote out loud.
Ah, read my own sentences.
Yes, this is very, very important. You use your eyes and hand to write, and your mouth and ears to speak and listen.
Writing and speaking, two skills at the same time.
Exactly. It connects the words in your brain, helps pronunciation, and builds confidence.
That's smart. So I write, I have breakfast, and then say it out loud. I can hear myself speaking English.
Exactly. It feels more real. You are using English, not just learning it.
I can do this in the morning. It takes maybe 5 minutes. What about at night before I go to sleep?
At night is the perfect time for our next tip. Use the past tense.
Oh, like I did this.
Yes, you sit for a few minutes and think, what did I do today? You review your day.
So in the morning, I write, I go to work. At night, I write, I went to work.
Perfect. Or in the morning, I eat breakfast. At night, I ate breakfast.
Ah, so I practice grammar naturally, not by remembering rules.
That's the secret. You're learning grammar naturally just by using it.
This sounds great, but Emily, life is busy. Sometimes I forget.
That's common, but it doesn't take much time. The key is to make it a daily habit.
A habit like brushing my teeth.
Exactly. Keep your English notebook next to your coffee machine. So, no excuses.
Smart. I make coffee. I write my sentences. Or use a notes app on my phone.
Yes, the important thing is consistency. 5 minutes every day is much better than 1 hour on Sunday.
That's true. A little bit every day builds confidence.
When you start, short sentences are perfect. I wake up, I eat, I work, I sleep.
Yes, easy.
Then add more. Week 1, I had breakfast. Week 2, I had breakfast. I ate toast and an egg. Week 3, I had a quick breakfast because I was late.
Wow, that's much better.
Yes, you are naturally improving without forcing it.
Is there more?
Yes, one more, and it's fun. Record your voice.
Oh, I don't know, Emily. I don't like hearing my voice in English.
Many people feel that way, but it's so helpful and it's just for you. Record yourself describing your day.
Like, hello, today is Monday. I woke up at 7. I went to work. I ate pasta for dinner.
Exactly. Do this once a week, maybe Friday night. 1 minute summary of your week. Then, after a month, listen to your first and last recordings.
Oh, I can compare them.
Yes, you'll hear improvement, faster speech, more natural pronunciation.
That's amazing motivation. I can hear my progress.
Exactly. Your small daily habits are working.
These tips are fantastic, so simple, but so powerful.
Yes, and anyone can do this. You don't need money or much time. You just need you and a notebook.
The main message, speaking about your own life, is the fastest way to learn real English.
Exactly. Talk about your job, your food, your family, your day. Let your routine become your best English teacher.
That's beautiful. Wow, Emily, look at the time.
I know, time flies when we're talking about English.
That was a great chat, Emily. I feel motivated.
Me too. And we hope all our listeners feel motivated too.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Ash and give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend who's also learning English.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes. In the comments below, tell us, what did you do this morning?
Or, what will you do tonight? Just write 1 or 2 simple sentences.
Use the past tense or the future. We'd love to read about your day.
We read all your comments. It's the best practice for you.
Thank you for listening.
Until next time, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye for now.